Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with exercise 11.4. In this exercise, we were discussing about the volume and surface area of different solid shape like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. We have discussed question number 1, 2. Third and fifth I have given you for the homework, but we have discussed that also. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, a cuboid is in the form of, one cuboid is there. Cuboid means like a room is there whose length is 60, breadth is 54 and height is 30. All are in centimeter. How many small cubes with side बच्चे mute yourself. Length, breadth and height is given. Length is 60, breadth is 54 and height is 30. And on the same side we have one cube whose side is 6 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in a given cuboid? Have you seen matchbox? 7-8 matchbox are packed in a one big paper wrap. That means how many matchbox we can pack in a certain paper whose area is given. In the same way, we have one room. Suppose one room is there that is in the form of the cuboid, and small cubes are there whose edge is 6 centimeter, and you have to keep these small cubes in the cuboid. Then the question is, how many cubes of side 6 centimeter can be placed in this? Means this cube you have to place inside the cuboid. So you have to tell me the number of cubes. What you will do, you will find the volume of this. Actually, we are putting the things inside the bigger figure. So that means that will occupy the space. And whenever we are talking about the space or the capacity, that means we are talking about the volume. So you will divide the volume of this with the volume of the cube. Why we are dividing the volume of this? Because the dimensions of this, and because the cube is larger one, cuboid is larger one and cube is smaller one. So, and this cube we are placing inside the cuboid. So that's why we will divide the volume of this with the volume of cube. So that will give you the number of cubes. So no need to find the volume separately. You will write the detail. Then after that you will write number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of cube. Volume of cuboid is LBH and volume of cube is A cube. यहाँ आएगा 60 into 54 into 30 upon 6 into 6 into 6. So make the cancellation and get the number of cubes. That will give you 10. You will cancel it out this 9. That will give you 5. 9 5s are 45. Answer will give you 450. So that means 450 cubes of side 6 centimeter can be placed in this cuboid. Question number 5. Yesterday we did this question, but I'm discussing again. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter square. Volume is given and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Is it okay? Volume of the cylinder is given. Diameter is given. Now check the units. They have different units. As you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So let's convert this. Actually, why I'm not converting centimeter to meter? Because that will be in again decimal and it's difficult to solve the decimal number. So better to convert this decimal to the simple number. So 1 meter में 100 है, तो मीटर स्क्वायर में क्या हो जाएगा 100 इंटू 100, यहाँ 100 आ जाएगा, ये कैंसिल, यहाँ से आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 15400 सेंटीमीटर. सॉरी, इट्स वॉल्यूम, तो यू विल राइट वन मोर. So that is 1540000 centimeter cube. It was meter cube, na? So we have converted that meter cube to centimeter cube by multiplying it with 103 times, because 1 meter is having 100 centimeter. So we have got the volume. Diameter is given. If the diameter is this, then what is the radius? Radius, that is 70 centimeter. Now apply the formula for the volume. Yes, listen to me. Whatsoever thing that is given to you, you will apply the formula for that. Okay? Am I audible? Adish, Arish, Akul. Volume is pi r square h and volume is 1540000. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 70 into 70. Height is missing, that you have to find. Cancel it out. We will get 10 here. Upon 22 into 10 into 70 is equal to h. Is it okay? Now, 2 zeros will cancel out. You will cancel it out with 7, that is 2200. You will cancel it out, you will get 100. So h is equal to 100 centimeter. H is equal to 100 centimeter is the height of cylinder. Is it okay? Taranya, I am audible? Taranya? Okay. So this question we did yesterday also, but I have discussed again because few students were having doubt in that. Shall I start with the next question? Okay. Question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder. A tank is there that is in the form of cylinder, whose radius is given, length is given. Find the quantity of milk in liter that can be stored in the tank. Quantity of milk that can be contained in the container means you have to find the volume of the tank. And answer you have to give in liters. So we will convert it later on, but we will start from the same unit as it is given in the question. So the radius is 1.5 meter. Length means height, that is 7 meter. Find the volume of the container. Volume of tank Wall tank is in the form of cylinder. So area of base, that is circle, into height. Okay. Unit is same, so no need to change anything. You will just directly write the things. Height is 7. Got it? Remove decimal, that will give you 10, 10. 7 will cancel out. No need to cancel out the things. Just multiply 22. 15 into 15 is 225 upon 100. Now multiply 225 with 22. This you will get as answer upon 100. So that is 49.50 meter cube is the volume of the tank. Now you have to convert this into liter. What you will do is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So we are converting meter cube to liter. So you will multiply this with 1000, that will become liter. Remove the decimal, 100. 100 will cancel out, 4950 with one more zero from this, that will be in liter. So volume of tank, or you can say capacity of the tank. So we will get the answer as this. Actually, nothing difficult is there. You have to just convert it in, you have to just find the volume, then you have to convert the volume in the liters. Question number 7. In question number 7, you have given the edge of the cube is doubled. This type of question are very important because they are concept based question. एक cube है जिसकी साइड A है, अब उसकी साइड को डबल कर दिया आपने. डबल मीन्स 2A. डबल मीन्स 2A. ये आपके पास एक क्यूब है, ठीक है. ये क्यूब है, इसकी एज क्या है? A. इसका सरफेस एरिया क्या होगा? सरफेस एरिया. Surface area means we are talking about total surface area. Surface area means we are talking about total surface area. Now, if you double the edge of this cube, what will happen? ये new cube बन जाएगा, new cube, and its edge will become 2A. And its edge will become 2A. Then what will be the surface area? Then what will be the surface area? That is 6 side square. Earlier the edge was A, so I have written 6A square, but now the edge has been changed to double, that is 2A. So formula will become 6 side square. Now solve this. 4A square, 6A square, 4 हमने बाहर लिख लिया. Actually we have to make the comparison. Earlier it was 6A square, now 6A square का ये कितना टाइम्स बन गया? 4 टाइम्स. आपको कहता है कि अगर एक क्यूब की एज को डबल कर दें, then how many times will its surface area increase? तो क्या होगा? Its surface area will increase 4 times, will become 4 times. Surface area of new cube will be 4 times. Will be 4 times. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट था इसका। सेकेंड पार्ट देखो, आपको कहता है व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑन द वॉल्यूम, व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस। अगर एज ए है तो वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, ए क्यूब, और इसका न्यू वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, न्यू वॉल्यूम क्या होगा 2a का क्यूब। इज इट सो? वैसे क्या होता है साइड क्यूब, अब साइड क्या है 2a, तो 2a का क्यूब क्या होगा 8a क्यूब। यस, व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट, new volume will become 8 times, new volume will be 8 times. Is it okay?